So hey YouTube, I'm Steve Konish, a solution architect at Red Hat, and in this video I'm going to walk you through some built-in DNF commands that you can use to gather information on security advisories and CVEs. I'm also going to walk you through a couple of scripts that query our security API to gather additional information like CVSS scores along with a condensed summary of the latest update. For this demonstration I'm using RHEL 10.1, but this should work on older versions too. So let's get started. So first let's clone the repo and add a couple scripts in a README file. Now let's run some useful DNF commands on RHEL 10.1. Let's start with the DNF update info all. This provides a great summary of all the critical security updates. Now let's run that same command again, and we'll add the with CVE parameter. This will allow us to focus just on the applied security updates. Now let's add the word list to the DNF update info command. This will allow us to list each security advisory and associated CVEs. Now, if we wanted to just list the CVEs, we can simply grep for that. So let's go ahead and grep for the word CVE. And there they are. Now, how would we prioritize lots of these CVEs with the same classification, important or moderate, for example? So for that, we want to be able to figure out the CVSS score. We can do a curl on the CVE database to get that score for each CVE using this command here. However, we have a script that does it in a much better way. So let's go ahead and run that script. So we're going to list all of them again, but with the CVSS score as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and halt it. And now you can see that we have the RHSA, the security advisories, each CVE, and now we have a CVSS score, so we can prioritize each one of these CVEs accordingly. So one of our clients went a few steps further and created a script that prints a concise summary of the latest update. So let's go ahead and run that. As you can see by the text at the bottom, I did a DNF update today, and the USB package was updated and it resolves one SA, one CVE with a CVS score of 7.5. And there are no CVEs with a CVSS score greater than 8. So that concludes this demonstration. Thanks for watching.